This is a video on how to keep the standard Ford speaker connector without altering the wiring harness and transferring it to a upgraded speaker. First, cut off here on the speaker and then on the side, and then this is free. All you need to do then is cut the wires, because you need to keep the wires as they're already pre-soldered in to the Ford connector. And now I've got removed the Ford connector with its wires intact. Discard the old speaker. Make sure you get the correct polarity. If you look deep inside there, there will be, as you can see, that there's an actual positive symbol there, and tally that up with the positive symbol there. Rest it in, make sure you go through the eyelets. Next thing we do is solder them in. They're soldered in now. Check that they're okay. Now, using a glue gun, I'll just put a thin bead of hot glue just along here, and then just stick that down. That's the glue set, or setting rather, and all you're left to do then is trim off the excess wires, and there you have it, new upgraded speaker with the standard Ford connector.